Good morning. I literally have 20 minutes to get ready. Today I'm taking a day off. It's a very special day. It is my 10th R, not mine. It's not about me, even though I'm taking the day off for me. Today is our 10th anniversary, me and my husband. We're gonna take a weekend getaway, and today I'm gonna do something spontaneous. Let's just get ready and I'll tell you all about it. Subscribe if you like beauty, makeup content, all that kind of good stuff. Let's jump on into it. I didn't even look myself. I was looking at the camera, but I look like a phantom right now. I literally have 20 minutes because I have an appointment at 10 a.m. It is now 9:30. We're gonna do a quick makeup look. It's not gonna be nothing crazy. I just wanna put makeup on because I wanna take some selfies after this change I'm gonna do. You probably guessed it by now. I am gonna do a little something different to my hair. Just gonna go in with some moisturizer. I'm just gonna be using this Confidence in a Gel Cream. It's like a mini. I have been thinking about this for months now, and I've been going back and forth. My hair is all natural virgin hair, and I have grown this out for 7 years, and I've just been so skeptical of doing anything to my hair. When I was younger, I used to bleach my hair blonde, and eventually I dyed it back to brown. Then I did balayage highlights. I went a little crazy with the balayage highlights. I kept going lighter and lighter, so I ultimately, you know, kind of not ruined, but like I damaged my hair. So eventually I just chopped it all off and grew it out for the past 7 years, and my hair has been super healthy, which is why I've been so skeptical about doing anything to my hair. Today's the day. It's our 10th year anniversary. When we first got married, I had my cute little balayage highlights, and I'm gonna do a partial, okay? I don't wanna do too much. I just want to do a little something, a little honey, sun kiss moment. I'm not gonna do bleach. I don't want toner either. I've been asking a lot of my closest friends if I should even do it because I have been terrified. But everybody has told me to go ahead and do it. I tried to surprise my husband. I'm the worst at surprising people. Yesterday, as we were eating Chick-fil-A, I was like, I'm gonna do something different in my hair. He's like, what? What are you doing? What are you doing? And I told him. I was talking to him about it, and I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna do it. He's like, baby, just like, if you don't want to do it, don't do it. He's like, you know, just sleep on it. And then I was like, okay, I'll sleep on it. And then I dreamt about it. And then I woke up this morning at 5 a.m. thinking about it. And I texted him when he was on his way to work. And he's like, you seem skeptical about it. Like, don't do it if you're skeptical. And then I started looking back in our photos when I did my post on Instagram on our anniversary. And I looked back at the photos and I'm like, you know what? It didn't damage my hair when I first did it. I was like, baby, I think I need to be a little spunky again. And he's like, oh, you look so cute back then. Could you believe that? Back then. He was like, you look so spunky, and just like, do it, baby, do it. And I'm just like, you know what? I'm doing it. I already have my appointment booked. I may cut my tips a tiny bit. The last lady that cut my hair, she went scissor happy. She cut all my beautiful long hair off, and I'm scared, guys. I'm a wreck. This is the Age Perfecting SPF 50 from L'Oreal. It gives me like a little bit of a glow. I mean, you can't see it with his washed out face right now. This is just insanity. Go with the e.l.f. concealer. I literally have 10 minutes. This is literally my 10-minute makeup look. I'm not gonna do a lot. Again, I just want a little bit of makeup because after it, I do wanna take some photos for my hubby so I can show him what it looks like. I'm gonna do my nails also. And I'm spending the day by myself. And I still gotta pack. After my husband gets home from work, we're gonna head over to St. Augustine, which is about a 4-hour drive. And then we're spending a little weekend there. And St. Augustine is like the cutest little town in Florida. We've been there before. Super cute, Spanish, colonial times, you know, all of that. Piratey stuff. We love piratey stuff. We love Pirates of the Caribbean. It's like our movie. I'm gonna set my powder. Whoa, that is brightening. We decided that we're not gonna do anything this year for like a huge party or like a huge trip. It's been insanely crazy renovating our house and doing all of these projects that we're decided to do that next year. So we are gonna have a huge trip next year. We're planning on going either to Europe, maybe to the UK. I know our 10th is supposed to be like the big milestone, but we decided not to. It's cool. At least we're going to St. Augustine, which is not too much of a far drive. And it's still gonna be romantic, it's still gonna be cute, and we're just gonna enjoy time together and just enjoy good moments together. Just gonna go in with a quick cream blush. This one's the Milani Cheek Kiss. This one's a nude kiss. These really remind me of the Mario ones. You can't go wrong with these, and they're not too pigmented. I mean, they are pigmented, but they're like just the right amount of pigment. I love these. I'm adding so much and it's like not too much. I'm just gonna powder the rest of my face with the same setting powder. This one's a Flower Beauty Bakery powder, I think. Oh! Oh my god, this is so powdery. I'm just gonna add a little bit of powder blush. I'm going in with the Kosas Euphoria. It's like this super cute wine one. It's so pretty. I am terrified. This is the worst that can happen, really. I mean, I'm not gonna be using bleach. I'm not gonna be using, hopefully not toner. I'm not gonna be using any chemicals on my hair that's gonna damage it. This is the Makeup by Mario Original Ethereal Eyes Palette. I'm just gonna bring in a little, just to give it a little bit of shadow. Just trying to give it a little fall vibe, you know? Just gonna add a little bit of sparkle. Love, love, love this palette. Look how pretty this sparkle is. I have gotten so much use out of this palette. It is just the prettiest little sparkles. They just, they're so beautiful. I'm gonna spend 2 days in St. Augustine. Friday night gonna be a super beautiful rooftopy restaurant. And then the second restaurant's gonna be more fun, more like a pub kind of thing. So we're excited. We love pubs, we love beer, we love tequila, we love all that jazz. It's like a little medieval town. And there's so much to do in St. Augustine. I feel like 2 days is not enough. I think 3 days hits the spot because there's so many museums to see. I'm such a dweeb, by the way. This is not a setting spray. Someone left a comment in one of my reels and they're like, that is not a setting spray. You're gonna mess up your makeup with all of that. Then my makeup actually looks great with it. So this is a Tower 28 facial spray. I guess you're supposed to use this before makeup, but for me, it's a setting spray. It literally locks my makeup into place. You can use makeup however way you want to use it. Feels refreshing, feels nice, and it did not mess up my makeup in any way. I mean, it actually locked it into place. Look how nice that looks. For mascara, I'm just gonna go in with this very viral mascara. This is the Falsy Surreal from Maybelline. I have not tried this yet. It's a really nice wand. Let's see what the hype is about with this thing. Oh, wow. Okay, hold on. That is lifting my lashes. It's not even one coat yet, and that lifted my lashes beautifully. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this is lifting my lashes in a beautiful way and they look super natural. This is like leaving my lashes so beautifully. Look how it lifted that lash. Oh, okay, guys, this mascara is viral for a great reason. I actually personally like it more than Sky High. The Sky High is way too clumpy for me. So if you're looking for a nice natural lash, this is it. I'm just gonna go in with this gloss here from Sephora. This one's in Supreme. Okay. Ooh, this is cute. Perfect fall. Gorgeous color. We made it right on time. I'm gonna head over to get my hair done. My makeup is actually slaying right now. Anyway, I'm on my way to the hairdresser. I am so terrified right now. You have no idea, but I'm just gonna go through with it. Anyways. I'm scared. I'm so scared. I mean, look at my hair, how shiny and beautiful this is. I'm getting second thoughts. This is all pure virgin hair. For 7 years, I'm getting the second thoughts. I'm gonna go through with it. This is another reason why I think it's meant to be. This place that I'm gonna do my hair in and my nails, it's a place that I've been wanting to go to for the longest. Very fancy. It looks like the kind of place that is for you when you want to have a me day. So there's a spa, it has like the nail salon, it has the hair salon. So it's purely an entire spa for those that need a day for themselves. And I'm always telling my husband, I'm gonna get my day there. I'm gonna get my pass there. I'm gonna have that one day. And I never got to do it, but now I'm doing it. So I'm gonna do the whole works except for the spa and the facial, but it's okay. Alrighty, we are here. We made it right on time. I'm literally like 5 minutes away from this place. It's so exciting. I'm here, freaking out. I am so happy how this turned out. This is exactly what I wanted. I wanted just a subtle little kiss of the sun, and that's what I did. So this was a partial balayage. However, she did do a little bit at the bottom too, so it's still a partial, but she did add some at the bottom as well. She didn't even use a toner. I mean, it came out so nice and so sun-kissed. It also cut my tips a little bit, and as you can see, it's just like these natural sun-kissed balayage partial highlights, and again, no bleach, no toner, nothing. So cute. I'm obsessed. Okay, you guys, I gotta talk to you about this spa that I went to. This is the hair salon is located in a spa, and guys, when I tell you that I've never experienced anything like that. So I did my mani, and look at this fall color. It looks red, but it's not red. It's this gorgeous pumpkin spice color. The manicure was this real true spa manicure. They set me in this room, and this room was super dark, super private, and they put you in this amazing chair, so comfy, and then you lay back, completely back. They just take such good care of you. They put this gorgeous little masks with lavender scent, and then they put these hot mittens on me. Clearly I don't do this often, I don't do it enough, but anyway, so far so good. I enjoyed every single minute of it. It was worth every penny. And now I'm gonna go and get some sliders. I'm gonna go to this little pub place here, and I'm just gonna have a late lunch because I'm starving. I will head home to pack, get my husband some sushi, and yeah, I'm super excited just to pack. Yeah.